Imagine a crucial part is delayed just hours before a significant flight, or a major component fails upon installation during the last maintenance check stages. Is your material partners ready to resolve these challenges with you? Let's explore 4 characteristics of strong aircraft material partnerships. Number 1, anticipating needs. Valuable partners foresee potential issues before they arise. Number 2, swift action plans. When problems arise, rapid and effective responses are crucial. Number 3, resource availability. Effective partners have the right resources, they're ready. Number 4, continuous improvement. Best material partners learn to prevent future issues from occurring. Consider Skylink. We're dedicated to keeping your operations running smoothly.